So friends, in this video I will be making a Pikachu candle. For that I am using this rubber Pikachu. Let's remove the visual. Okay, now from this hole I am going to pour the molten wax. And now I will make a small hole to put a rope inside. And the rope needed to be of cotton and quite thick. It's little bit tricky with proper tools or some skills you can do it easily. I should use some pliers or something. Okay, here we go. And here are the wax. This wax is actually the waste of the candles. I have collected it from the last 2 to 3 months. I don't remember, but still it contains lots of waste. I mean some matchsticks and uh, some clay or something. Okay, now I am going to melt it on the stove. And try to put the lowest flame on the stove so that uh, the wax don't get vaporized. And try to put the low flame on the stove so that the wax don't get vaporized. As we already know, the wax having a very low melting point. Here are some matchstick wax waste and some dust. Try to purify it. Okay, now pour it into the mold. There are still some waste inside. Well, it's fallen apart. Now wait for a moment so that the bubbles inside comes out. Okay, now you can pour some more inside. Now wait for it to cool down. It will be better if you pour some water on it. Okay, now remove it from the surface. It's still hot. I will put it in the vessel full of water. A few minutes later, here we got a solid wax. Now we need to remove this excess wax. Okay, just cut down this excess rope. Here we got a Pikachu full of wax. Here you see it's still looking cute. Now I will cut this rubber Pikachu and we will get our product. And try not to get deep inside, it will scratch our candle. And this molding works better on the symmetric shapes. Well, still you can get any of the shape using molds, many of them using resin. Well, it's still quite difficult to remove the outer case. Okay, here we go. It's removing. It's quite delicate, so be careful while removing. Well, one of his ear looks broken. Well, I will fix it later. Here we go. And now we will paint it to look cute. His eyes and nose. Now it looks cute. Now it's ready to get burned. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Ensure to subscribe. See you in the next video.